At Fresh Express, innovation is in our DNA. This company was founded in 1976 on the belief that fresh, healthy produce could be made conveniently available to people everywhere. This spurred us to develop groundbreaking freshness technologies that would ultimately lead to a series of firsts for the produce industry and the creation of a new category, now nearly worth $7 billion, spearheaded by Fresh Express. Fresh Express started by creating the first packaged salad with modified atmosphere in 1977. By 1983, we introduced the first packaged salad with shelf life long enough to allow for distribution to local and regional retail stores. But innovation never rests. In 1989, Transfresh and Fresh Express developed the Keep Crisp bag, a unique patented breathable bag combining semi-permeable plastic films with modern atmosphere technologies. This breakthrough made it possible that same year to introduce the first individually packaged fresh-cut garden salad to retail stores nationwide.
If there's a better way, we will find it. That's our mantra. And because we've proven it time and time again, it's become a model for our approach. The Innovation Center is a great example of innovation at work.
The Innovation Center is Fresh Express's one-of-a-kind culinary innovation facility, where we draw inspiration from influences around the world and create products that will delight the palates of our consumers. We bring together experts in product development, brand innovation, food education, customer relationship development, consumer research, and global brand tracking to share ideas and identify opportunities for innovation. The center's culinary amenities include presentation kitchens, teaching and demonstration facilities, research labs, product development and sensory testing areas, simulated retail environments, and a trends resource library.
Simply put, innovation is our competitive advantage. We win over consumers and customers by delivering the best-in-class experiences, whether through culinary focus or consumer insights anchored in the latest trends, together with the consumer-preferred taste profiles.